Hello Amir, thanks for being here with us on board.
My pleasure.
Can you introduce yourself to our readers?
Sure, my name is Amir Majid-Emir. I'm Vice President at Microsoft, in charge of digital media technologies for Microsoft. Digital media for Microsoft is audio technologies, video technologies, and digital imaging, or photography. My group develops the Windows Media Player, which I think most people are familiar with, but we also develop the core audio-video compression for Microsoft, such as Windows Media Audio, or WMA as everyone calls it, Windows Media Video, WMV, and some people call that VC1. The digital rights management, DRM, or the copy protection technology for Windows Media, that also comes out of my group. And also the streaming server and technologies for that. We also produce the core AV infrastructure for Windows, which Media Center version of Windows uses to give you sort of the consumer electronics experience for Windows.
So this very morning there was a huge debate regarding, the battle of the formats, namely HD DVD versus Blu-ray. So what's Microsoft's position regarding this? How do you come into play?
Sure, we prefer HD DVD for a few reasons. Number one, we think it has no risks. It provides great picture quality, great sound quality, great interactivity. With just slight modification to the DVD manufacturing lines, we can produce DVDs that are up to 30 gigabytes, and using VC1 advanced compression and 30 gigabytes of capacity, we can have beautiful video, and we can have lossless audio and all the other features that we can dream in next generation formats. Number two reason we like it is because we have hybrid technology, so we can take a HD DVD and make it compatible, backwards compatible with the 200 million DVD players that are out there. So you can take that HD DVD disc home, and even if you don't have an HD DVD player, you can play that in your existing machines. We also like another feature we call mandatory managed copy. That's the ability of consumer to make copies of those DVDs onto your hard disk or to your portable player, so you can take that with you. And of course, we like the interactivity specification called IHD, which is a joint design between Microsoft and Disney, to make the discs a lot more exciting than current DVDs are.
Okay, so people, including Joe Kane, were implying that anyway, this format war would be obsolete eventually, thanks to the download on video on demand of the HD content. So can you elaborate a little more about that?
Sure. Certainly, from Microsoft's point of view, we're making multiple bets, if you call it that. Digital downloads on the internet is already there today, and it will get only better as speed of broadband connections gets to be higher and higher. You can certainly imagine a day where you can download high definition movies and high definition sound to your computers, not a problem at all. But in the shorter term, the disc format package media is also a very viable alternative. It's an easy way to buy 30 gigabytes and bring it home and instantly watch that. So we believe in both worlds, not one against the other. But we do also believe that this is probably the last optical format. We don't think 10 years from now consumers will want another optical format that will by that time be adopting some kind of network delivery or over the air, some other advanced way of delivering content rather than still making package discs.
So that will be all about download, servers and clients.
Yes.
So, your newest console, namely the Xbox 360 is about to be released.
Right.
And so how do you see the role of your newest console, in the distribution of media content?
We definitely believe in the notion that you want to have content play anywhere in the home, regardless of where it is. So home streaming for us is very key. Managed copy and HD DVD let you make copies of the content onto your PC, or you can download from internet. But once you get the content on a PC, Xbox 360 can stream that content across a home network with no extra software, no extra hardware. That Xbox connected to television is the best digital media receiver for receiving high definition or standard definition content, including multi-channel sound. So with a combination of PC and Xbox 360, you have a great system for watching things locally on your PC or remotely on another television in the house. And of course, you have great gaming on both platforms also.
Okay, so thanks you, Amir, for joining us during the cruise, and enjoy the rest of the cruise like we do, and see you next year maybe.
Great, thank you very much.